So here are the results for the black synthetic dye. Let's start out with the swimsuits. We have the brown one here that is now jet black. We did it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. Black bikini bottoms. Then we have that like electric blue bikini bottoms are now this interesting blue. I actually kind of vibe with it, but it's not very even. But that kind of gives it like a tie-dye print. I don't know, I'm kind of into it. But I have an extra bottle synthetic dye, so I might re-dye it. Yeah, I might double dip this guy. And then this one breaks my heart. This one breaks my heart. What is this? What is this? What color is this? The inside, beautiful charcoal color. Beautiful. The outside, the most hellish dead color I've ever seen in my life. So I will definitely be re-dyeing this, or if you have a suggestion of a better color that it would take probably, I just need it to be not this color. And similar story with the other orange thing. It's not a swimsuit, it's like a top. So it's just slightly darker. It's still orange. Now it's like a barely different orange. It is darker though. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is a little sadder looking, a little dirtier looking. And then, let's see. But come back strong in the second half. Boom! This was that white lace shirt that looked way too bridal. Look at that. Look at that. And the white stitching, are you kidding me? The white stitching actually did change. It's now like a charcoal color, and this gray is a little purpley, but I'm into it. I like this. I like this a lot. When done, yes. And then similar story with the stitching. We got this little number. This was the Swamp Witch looking one. And yeah, the lace is a beautiful gray color. Love it, love it. Graphite, whatever you want to call it. And the stitching is bright green, which I think is cool, but even cooler that now it goes with my shorts from the other video. Look it, I've got a fit now. I didn't plan that. They're from different stores, different phases of my life. They both have green stitching though, and I'm gonna have fun putting those together. And then last, but certainly not least, we have the dress. It was the Lego blue, primary blue dress, and now it is a dark navy color. It also had the bright blue stitching, so it looks very similar to the crop top from the other video as well. I'm not gonna style those together though. But yeah, I might try to re-dye this, get it black. Otherwise, I don't know, it's not bad. Not bad, definitely much more wearable, so cool. And that's all I have today. I'm very happy with the results. Well, happy with some of the results. And yeah, probably see you in a part 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever. Love ya, bye.